Hello, right now I'll try to explain you how you can work with my project. Okay, when you open my folder Logodrift, and you should open one of these project, After Effects project. When you open, you see this folder and these two main composition, with parenda and without parenda. With parenda, it means that you don't need any plugins. Everything is parenda and it works fast. If you just want to understand how to create some particles, some maybe background and so on, you should go to Logodrift without parenda, and you will need trapcode particular and trapcode form. Okay. If you want to change this logo to any other, you should go to logotypes folder and put your logo here. Just put your logo here. Yes. So no and what? Code Canyon, for example. Change scale. Return to this or this composition, and it automatically apply. It is very simple, very easy. I think it is great. Okay, I hope that I help you, and thanks, and bye.